Hi, hello there. Bob and Lou, November 30th, 2024. This would be part 42, segment 1. And as you can see, Lou's been working on the electric window thingamajig on the right-hand side. And what you discovered something, Lou? You want to talk to me about what you're going to do with the...
Huh?
Talk to me about what you're going to do with that bottom bolt.
Oh, yeah. When you tighten this bottom bolt, which pulls that, what it does, it draws that this way. So it pulls this away from up in here. But by putting a shim in here, it'll come this way. That's what's wrong. It was sitting too far in. It'll come out where it needs to go.
Oh, okay.
So that instead of having to screw around with all the other stuff.
Yeah, okay. Oh, and I see you've got the sewn strap in. That looks like it'll work all right. So, I guess what? I see wire, so you're in the process of powering up.
Yeah, got to shorten all this stuff up.
Powering up?
So, let's see if I cut this red fucker.
Yeah, so today is Saturday, right?
Yeah, all day.
Yeah, so we both had a family deal Thursday.
Huh?
I say we both had a family deal for
yeah.
Thanksgiving turkey.
Blowout.
So, yeah, so I was forbidden to go in the garage, so I had to get dressed up for the guests and all the turkey prep and stuff. Also, we had a cold front come in here a couple of days ago, and it's got kind of chilly. My garage, I noticed this morning, is at 58 degrees.
Yeah, so it's nice about having a heater.
Yeah, and that's inside. So, yeah. All right, that's just a quick catch-up. I'm going to stop this. This is a shorty for part 42, segment 1 for Lou. All right, catch you all later. Take care out there. Bye-bye. Hi there, everybody. This is part section whatchamacallit, because I'm not at home and I didn't think I was going to video. Anyway, I'm here over at Lou's. This is Bob and Lou at the Two Old Guys Garage with the Anglia Street Rod project. And what we're looking at here is, this is obviously excess material. And I think we already mentioned earlier that we're going to use the same process with the black background and the adhesive glue to do the glass on the remaining 2 rear quarters, and in fact the rear window, although this is going to require some more work because this is all so uneven. So if you look at this here, what we want to do is trim this evenly and leave approximately whatever, half an inch or something, Lou?
Yeah, about 1/4 inch, half an inch.
So Lou's a clever guy. Let's see what he's come up with here. Show us what you're going to do, Lou.
Yeah, I'm going to use use a piece of round stock, aluminum. And that'll give me a guide to go all the way around. And then what I'll do is I'll drill it so this felt pin will go on, and just the little tip will just stick out.
Boy, that's all
that'll
right.
give me, give me a mark.
That'll give you an even mark.
Yeah, give me
all
an
the way
mark.
around.
All the way around.
Boy, that is really clever.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, I think that'll.
Okay, what else? Let's see. What have you done on the? While I'm here.
Got the other door. Electric window unit in.
So it's all wired up.
Yeah, it's all wired up. Here, let me turn it on and show you what's on it. Got a noisy fuel pump.
Yeah, ignore the fuel pump. Oh, that's right. Oh, that's cool. And of course the left side works too, huh?
Yeah, that
must be way up.
Yeah, so that they work. Now it's just a matter of putting the felt in and gluing it in, and then putting the windows in.
So you've got this. Okay, I see you made a bracket here to hold this.
Yeah.
So this is a strap that holds this in position. That's good. And then we discussed, I think the last time, that this moving in or out with a spacer will get the proper
Yeah.
angle
that'll
adjustment
move it out, you know.
to make the glass run up to the right channel without too much bending to the outside or the inside. So that's pretty good. So what do you got planned? Oop, boy,
So that's
it's a tinny door, isn't it?
oh, that's oh, then the windshield wiper motor would
Oh yeah, we were looking earlier to come up
Yeah.
with a, and we think we found one.
Yeah, the wiper motor's going to go up on top.
Yeah, and I think it was Tom,
Yeah.
our 14 pilot.
Yeah.
He was asking about, yeah. So the answer to that is yes, we're going to put a windshield wiper motor, just one, right?
Right.
I mean, on here.
Yeah.
So it'll be mounted here, electric motor, stick out here, and do that trick. And that'll be run by, you already got a switch in, I guess,
Yeah,
on the dash.
everything's already in there.
Yeah, the dash is wired with a wiper switch, so we're all okay there. So we're doing good. By the way, this is December 2nd,
Yeah.
1924.
You're just about gone.
2024, the year is about gone.
Yeah.
And we're celebrating today with Joe Biden pardoning his son.
Yeah.
What a
Amen.
great guy. Anyway. All right. Hi. You're going to get a haircut tonight. So that's good. All right. So I think I'll call this off here and wish you all an upcoming Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, because we are getting close.
Yeah.
And,
It's getting close.
Yeah, boy, man, I'll tell you, they go by so damn fast. And I'll probably do a video tomorrow morning to catch up on my 32 Coupe. The steering box is in, hooked up, connected, and I actually drove it, but I got other problems. The damn thing stopped idling. I got to start tomorrow morning, figure out what the hell's the matter with the idling and the engine. Anyway, that's it for now. Take care, everybody. We'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.